Complete the sentence by filling in the appropriate word from the options provided. We have, at a time when most charities seem to think of dash increasing their capital, Warren Buffett stipulation that what he gives must be spent within 10 years come as a dash announcement. So pipe A can fill the tank in 12 hours, B in 15 hours, and C can empty it in. Please pay attention. C can empty it in 20 hours. So I'm going to put a negative sign. These are filling pipe and this is an emptying pipe, right? Now, here is the data. Initially, pipe A was opened. After 1 hour, pipe B was opened, and then after 1 hour, when pipe C was also opened. So that means initially A was opened, after 1 hour B was opened, and then C was also opened. In how many hours the tank will get full? So what we need to see here is, number one, work done by pipe A in 2 hours. Remember, A had been into operation for 2 hours. Right? A was opened, after 1 hour B was opened, and after 1 hour C was opened. When C was opened, A had been already into operation for 2 hours. Kindly remember, after A was opened, 1 hour later B was opened, 1 more hour later C was opened. So A had been into operation for 2 hours at the time when C was into operation. Right? C started. Till that time, A had already operated for 2 hours. So 1 hour work of A is 1 upon 12, but A was into operation for 2 hours. When the C started, A was into operation for 2 hours. So A was into operation for 2 hours, B was into operation for 1 hour, and now C is opened. Now C is opened and all of them, so this is work done by A in 1 hour, this is work done by B in 1 hour, and this is work done by C in 1 hour. It's a drainage pipe, don't forget to use a minus sign. And after these 2 hours, initially A was into operation for 2 hours, B was into operation for 1 hour, and then A, B, C, all three were supposed into operation for X hours, and the tank is getting filled. Please make sure X hour is the time from where the C started, right? Before C started, A was already into operation for 2 hours and B was already into operation for 1 hour, right? Before C started, A was into operation for 2 hours, B was into operation for 1 hour, and then C started. And then A, B, C, all three are into operation continuously for X hours. After C started, all three were into operation for X hours. So we have to find out the value of X, but don't forget to add 2 more hours because this is the time after C had started. He's asking what is the total time. So we have to add 2 more hours after finding out X. Make sure this is 1 upon 6. So I will make calculation easy for you guys. This is 1 by 6 and that is equal to 5 upon 30, this is equal to 2 upon 30, that is equal to 7 upon 30. And here what I'm going to do, this is 5 upon 60, this is 4 upon 60, this is 3 upon 60, 5 upon 60, 4 upon 60, 3 upon 60, 5 and 4, 9 and minus 3, that is equal to 6 upon 9 minus 3, 6 upon 60, that is equal to, in the 6 upon 60 can be written as 3 upon 30 of x should be equal to 1. So we have here 3 upon 30 of x should be equal to 23 upon 30. That's why I am keeping it as it is. 30 cancel out, implies x is equal to 23 by 3, that is equal to 7 2 by 3. So this is 7 2 by 3. But make sure this is the time after C had started. Please make sure x hours, as I already told you, is the time after C had started. Before it, from the beginning, A operated for 2 hours and B operated for 1 hour, right? So we have to add 2 hours, because what is in how many hours will the tank get filled? He is asking the total time in which the tank will get filled will be 7 2 by 3 plus 2 more hours, this 2 additional hour. A started 2 hours before C started. This is the time, this x hours is the time after C started. So we have to add here 2 more hours, that is equal to 9 2 by 3. So 9 hour and 40 minutes. Answer is only in form of the fraction. So 9 2 by 3 is the total time required to fill the tank. Please make sure this is not the answer, because he's asking the time taken for the tank to get filled. The tank will get filled in 9 2 by 3 since the beginning. Overall time is 9 2 by 3 and the time after C started is 7 2 by 3, right? So answer is 9 2 by 3. The number of 5-digit numbers having at least one of their digits repeated. So total number of 5-digit numbers. Let's first of all find out total 5-digit numbers. Total 5-digit numbers will be equal to, this is 1 2 3 4 5. So what we have, the number of 5-digit number having at least one of their digits repeated. I'm saying total numbers, whether there are with repetition allowed, right? Total 5-digit numbers in the world. This place can be filled by anything 1 to 9, because we want to make a 5-digit number. 9 ways, make sure 0 cannot be there, right? So 0 cannot be here. This place can get filled in 9 ways. Anything can come from 1 to 9. Here anything can come 0 to 10. 0 to 9. It can be done in 10 ways. 0 to 9 it can be done in 10 ways. 0 to 9 it can be done in 10 ways. And here also, because all numbers, we are not talking about repetition not allowed, we are talking about total 5-digit numbers that exist are equal to 9 into 10 power 4, or which is fundamentally 90,000, right? These are numbers, total numbers which are 5-digit numbers. Now he is saying that at least one of their digit is repeated. So let me find out numbers without repetition. 5-digit numbers without 5-digit numbers without any repetition, and then I'm going to subtract them from here. 5-digit numbers which are without repetition. So again I need to form here 5 places. This place can get filled in. This cannot be filled by 0. Anything can come here 1 to 9 because the most significant place cannot be equal to 0. Otherwise, it will become a 4-digit number, right? So here we have 9 ways. Now here 0 can come. 0 to 9 anything can come. 0 to 9 anything can come. This could have been done in 10 ways, but repetition not allowed. This could have been done in 10 ways, but the digit which is there, same digit cannot come here. So one of the digit is barred. One of the digit we cannot use. Whatever digit is here, same thing cannot come here. So it can be done in 9 ways. 0 is allowed now. 0 is allowed, but whatever digit is here, same digit cannot come here 9 ways. 0 to 9, it can be again done in 10 ways, but whatever is here, whatever 2 digits are here and here, the same digit cannot come because repetition is not allowed. So it can be done in 8 ways because possibilities are 10, but 2 digits have already been used. They cannot get repeated out here. So 8 ways, 0 to 9, anything can come. 10 ways, but 3 digits, 1, 2, and 3. These 3 digits have already occupied the place. They cannot get repeated. I'm finding out without repetition. So this can be done in 7 ways, and 0 to 9, anything can come. But 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 digits are not allowed because they have already been used. Repetition not allowed. This can be done in 6 ways. So what we have here, total numbers which of this type are 27216. These are total numbers. These are numbers which are without repetition. Numbers which does not have even a single repetition are 27216. Now if I subtract them, this is A and this is B. These are total numbers, total 5-digit number that existed in the world. These are numbers, 5-digit numbers which are without repetition. Now if I subtract them, surely A minus B is going to give me whatever is required by the question, numbers which are having at least one of their digits repeated. Total number minus numbers in which there is no repetition, not at all any single repetition. If we subtract them, we are going to get numbers which will have repeated digits, either one digit